Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed of a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just select the project that we want to work on, then find the clip that we want to set the speed of, then tap on edit. And then here we find speed in the bottom bar. If you tap on this, then it's going to show the current speed of the song, the video, and then we can increase it or decrease it according to what we want to achieve. Currently I have an image inserted here, so it's not really relevant, but yeah, if you have a video or song, you can just set the speed of it here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.